we've just come through the Pentecost River crossing and now we're heading to about 100 k's down the road for our next camp. We'll see how we go. On steep inclines, apparently they put bitumen on the road, on the Gibb River Road, so we're just going up our first one. Ooh.
Vehicle coming up behind the Crusader, we'll just wait on the other side of the hill for you to overtake.
Thank you very much, appreciate it, mate.
It's coming now.
You're very polite, aren't you?
Have a fantastic day, man.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, no worries.
Mate, you didn't even know what was coming.
Nah, that's right, it's at the other side of the hill.
Some magnificent scenery on the Gibb River Road.
Here we are at one of the first lookouts on the Gibb River Road, and looks like Fred Flintstone set up a table here. You can sit down and have your picnic lunch at. Yeah, it's not bad looking country, is it? You're right.
Do you want to go around a bit so I can get a better view?
Well, this is Gibb River Road. Doesn't look very corrugated, but some sections are really bad and some aren't. And we found that between 50 and 60 with the tyre settings we've got are good to stop the vibrations. Only trouble is at 50 and 60, you've got to sort of concentrate 25 metres to 50 metres in front of you for sharp rocks, and some of the dips and washouts you don't see until it's sort of too late at this speed. So it's yeah, high concentration, and some of the people coming the other way don't tend to slow down very much when it gets tight. This is quite wide here, and that's fine. But when you're tight where you pass literally right beside one another, and some of the people with the four-wheel drives, they just don't want to slow down for anything. They throw rocks and shit everywhere and don't give a rat's ass. Yeah, but the majority of the people are quite courteous. Everybody seems to wave. We've had a couple of little incidents where people could have driven a bit better. Yeah, I suppose they'd say the same about us. Anyhow, there's a washout coming up.
Oh yeah, big one. Oh!
Yeah. That's the trouble, you just got to keep an eye out for that sort of thing. Come along Gibb River Road, we've got a stoplight up ahead for roadworks. It's not what you expect to see on the Gibb River Road. Oh well.
That's good.
Yeah. Doing a bit of work.
You can drive the truck now, Rex.
Yeah.
2 hands on the wheel, you tell me. Did you get that, people? Wow, stoplight.
In brake proceed with 4LD, all clear. Copy.
Do you want me to keep filming it or? Ooh, this is a bit deeper and a bit rougher than Pentecost. It's a bit boggy the other side too.
That's the trucks.
Oh. I can't.
We've copped a bit of damage.
Oh.
Yeah, Vic's not happy.
Pissed off.
Doors are all broken. Drawers are smashed and...
You need to drive slower. It's your fault. Oh, Jesus Christ.
And this door's broken, come off its...
Drawers have just pulled out. The fridge has got a thing missing off it.
Fridge?
The fridge, yeah. So I said, you've got no idea.
Yeah. That's it here, you picked it up, have you?
I'm presuming that's it.
Yeah. Hoodie. Anyhow, we'll see what we can do to
And this is after
fix
it's half been cleaned up.
Yeah.
While Rex has been talking.
Alright. Bye for now. Here we are at Ellenbray Station. It's quite nice here. It's reasonably cool in the shade.
Have we passed the Gibb River rest area?
Hang on.
Oh, sorry. No, go for
And here we've got the scones, some sarsaparilla, sitting on a rock table, enjoying. This is us at Gibb River Camp.
Crossing.
Gibb River Crossing, sorry. It's a free camp. And it's probably about 4 or 5 k's off the Gibb River Road. When we got here yesterday, there would have been, I don't know, somewhere between 30 to 50 caravans here on both sides. So there's some up there, some on the west side of the river. The majority are on this side. We were parked right over the back. And this morning some people moved out, so we quickly jumped in and got a good spot beside the river.
Water frontage.
Yeah, water frontage.
Back this way, come on.
Anyhow, this is the Gibb River. Yeah, the water here is like between ankle deep and knee deep. The dog loves to go for a run in the water.
Should be scared of rocks.
I think it's his own shadow there. And he's scared of rocks and barreled on it and barked at it. There.
Come on.
Yeah. It's deeper over on that edge, I think, but it only goes to maybe up to your pant legs type thing. Although there was people sitting up here yesterday. Leaf. He wants that leaf. He got the leaf.
Come on.
Ralph. Ralphie. Ralphie, come on. Come on. I'm swimming. This is the crossing.
Was it?
Video of him swimming.
Right, back around. Is he there? Oh jeez, put me in it. Well, just tell him I think he needs to have a holiday. Yeah. Well, good. Yeah.
Anything, all your faces are in the shade.
Okay,
we'll
we'll
go
shuffle over. We can go this side.
Your faces in the sun, I reckon.
All right, we'll put the girls on this side a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, Max.
I think that's better.
Where you all going?
That's better?
We'll put,
I reckon that's better.
okay.
Lead guitarist, you're in the shadow as well.
The guitarist.
Yep. Lead guitarist. Maybe the girls come
We
further
can
this way.
reposition the props
Further
if we
around
need
this
to.
way.
Yep.
You're
Well,
doing
don't,
great.
Don't
Thank
ask in
you.
the shadow.
Do we sing again? Because that's easier.
Yeah, sing us a song.
Another song?
Nobody gets my chest.
I can't remember the words.
I'm too flustered.
We'll just
All right, you know, one more song.
One more song.
Do you know
One more
Running
song.
Bear?
Wheels on the bus go round and round.
And we
round
are
and round, round and round, and the wheels on the bus go round and
I
round.
don't think it works.
Do we have any BG? Do we have any BG?
got
We
video
don't know. Got 'em.
All right, you got 2 videos as well.
Oh, good
Well
idea.
done,
both songs.
Thank you.
That's
One
great.
more,
Have a look.
one more.
We're
We
pretty
sit
sure
in.
the tragedy.
Oh yeah, we want to
Yeah,
write
that's
those.
probably right.
Tragic.
Tragic and what was the other one you said?
Heaven. It's either tragically, it's either very tragic or it's heaven. One or the other.
Back over your man.
Okay, sorry.
You're doing another one.
Sorry, just photos of us with our husbands.
Oh.
Because we're not really single singers.
Not real groupies. They just want to be groupies.
Try hard, you reckon?
Yeah, try hard. Thank you so much.
Did you get one of your own?
So what do you call yourselves?
The Gibb River Band.
The Gibb River, of course.
You don't think we're doing this for nothing?
And the bejesuses.
After the
Have a good look, 'cause they are shut
after the
some of them,
BG.
so- and if not,
Yeah.
Something like
Yes, each time we go away, we do
You do something silly?
Yes.
Where did you get your pants made?
Kmart. And then the tops, which I'm like,
Oh, very nice.
The end of the song. G'day. All right, you're on video. See you later.
Thanks.
All right, Nolan and Pete.
It's been very good, thank you.
Yeah, no, enjoyed your company.
That's been
It's
great.
been good. And we'll,
Yeah.
you never know, we might catch up further down the road. Who knows?
I reckon we probably will.
spots you can stop, really.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And when the old shitbox goes through, we're all going to be stopped anyway somewhere,
yes.
so
Yeah, yeah.
that'll be interesting.
Tomorrow we
Try
will
and get some on video as well as drone.
Yeah.
If
Oh, yeah.
200 cars, can't be hard to miss.
You got to get the first
I
one.
want to see some of them, yeah.
Well,
It'd be
we'll try,
interesting to see,
We'll
yeah.
try. We'll see how we go.
Yeah.
If not, we'll see it on YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's not quite the same, but okay.
Alright, it's
Not like in person, is it?
alright.
Yeah.
Gotta go.
Like I said,
Thank you
enjoyed
so
your
much.
company.
It's
Thank
nice,
you.
Thank you.
Nice to
Yeah. Yeah, I don't do hugs.
No, that's right.
Mixed up. That's lovely. No, he's lovely
Yeah.
with everyone.
Actually, what I should have done was taken a video of your setup from
Well, we
that
could just put
size to what it goes out
We're
to.
not
It's
doing
just
it again, all
We
right?
can put it back up again now if you want.
yeah, go for it.
There's a thought. There's a
Not.
thought.
Let him go.
Let it go. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Yes.
This is our last day here at Gibb River Crossing. We've thoroughly enjoyed it. It's a beautiful place to camp. Most of the creek here is great for kids. I think we've said that before. It's shallow, sandy bottom, and up near the bridge there it gets deep, where it probably goes to about 6 feet deep. It's cool, the water's cool, it's refreshing. And like I said, we've enjoyed our stay. We also enjoy the people we meet while camping along here. They're like-minded, everybody's friendly, you don't have too much in the way of trouble. Yeah, it's great. The road's a bit rough. We suffered a bit of damage in the caravan in our last leg. The trims come off the fridge on the outside. The latches on the cupboards, which are only plastic, some of them broke. Screws came out. Nothing really major, but just, yeah, messy. But other than that, like I said, we move on here tomorrow. Where we go to, who knows? Depends on, yeah, what we can get. Place is fairly busy. Most places are solidly booked. Not booked out, but solidly participated in taking campsites. So yeah, we'll just see where we end up and go from there. In a few days' time, there's the Shitbox rally. There's 200 cars supposedly coming down the Gibb. They're going to do most of it in one day, so we don't want to be on the road that day. So we'll find somewhere in the next couple of days and park up and just wait for that to pass, and then we'll continue on. Anyhow, bye for now.